Hello everyone, my name is InsenerKarl and today we are unboxing the Corsair Commander Pro. Anyway, so I need a fan controller for my PC. I wanted to get the Aqua computer, but it's nowhere available in my country. So that was the second best bet. This is how the packaging looks. Pretty nice. Anyway, now let's take it apart. Wait, I'm gonna move the tripod a bit so I can stand in a better place. Anyway, let's try to open it. I have no idea how it opens. I think down here we need a knife, I think, yeah. So let's get one. Anyway, let's cut the tape. Maybe we need to cut the other side also. Now, this should come out. And it does. Really nice packaging from Corsair, but it's Corsair, so what do you expect? Of course it's nice. So sadly it doesn't control any RGB fan or something. You can connect the lighting node to it, but you can't just connect the fan. So here is the commander. We'll take a look at it later. Here's the packaging, and here are some manual. Okay, so a lot of stuff. Manual, warranty, and I don't know what that even is. It doesn't matter. Anyway, here are fan extension cables, if you need them. This is, I think, an RGB extension. And next up we have temperature sensors. So basically you can put these around your case. Maybe they're even waterproof, so you can put them in water technically. And then you can control your temps off of them. Anyway, let's put this back on right now. Really nice packaging. I guess that's the Corsair premium you pay for. Here's the commander, so let's take it out. So, does it come out? Ooh. So it comes with double-sided tape, you know, so you can just stick it. And it's pretty big, so it's SATA powered. Here are 6 fans, LEDs, and yeah, temperature sensors, 4 of them. I have one in my water pump, and I will add these others somewhere. And here it takes up one USB 2 slot, but here it basically has 2 more, so it's like a USB hub. And yeah, here you can put the LEDs in, not like RGB fans, you can't connect them, or LED strips, but you can connect the lighting node Pro, I think, or lighting nodes, those from fans. So yeah. Anyway, it's a pretty nice thing, and I will try to make a tutorial how to use it actually, because it's not that simple probably, or maybe it is. Well, we'll see. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!
I've been thinking, lately it's just me against the world. Round and round I'm caught up in this swirl, trying to dig and trying to